Good morning, dear students. Welcome to all of you in online classes of mathematics. And today we will read the remaining question of miscellaneous exercise. Fourth. Next question of miscellaneous exercise fourth. Question number 22. Prove that a plus b, a plus 2b, a plus 2b, a plus b, a plus b, a plus 2b, a is equal to 9 into a plus b की a plus b into base. Okay, left side is equal to right side. So left is equal to a plus b, a plus 2b, a plus 2b, a plus b, a plus b, a plus 2b, a. Okay, left is equal to right, 9 into a plus b into b square. Okay, by operation C1 operation, C1 or R1, anyone. Okay, it means R1 operation, R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay, R1 operation, R1 plus R2 plus R3, row R1, row R2 and row R3 is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3, a plus 2b, a plus b, R1 a, R2 a plus 2b, R3 a plus b. It means 3a, 3b, 3 common and a plus b. Okay, a plus b plus a plus 2b, it means 3 into a plus b. Third, a plus 2b, a plus b, a, R1, R2, R3, it means 3 into a plus b. R2, R3 same to same, a plus 2b, a plus b, a plus b, a plus 2b, a. Okay, taking out 3 into a plus b common from R1 is equal to 3 into a plus b, 1 a plus 2b, a plus b, 1 a plus 2b, 1 a plus b, a. Okay, again by operation value of R1 is equal to 1 1 1, value of R1 is equal to 1 1 1. It means by operation C1 operation, C1 minus C2 and C2 operation, C2 minus C3. When value of R1 is equal to 1 1 1, then C1 operation, C1 minus C2 and C2 operation, C2 minus C3, C1, C2, C3, 1 minus 1 0. Left side is equal to 3 into a plus b into 1 minus 1 is 0 and a plus 2b minus a, C1 minus C2, a plus 2b minus a cancel out, is equal to 2b, is equal to 2b. Okay, next a plus b minus a minus 2b, a plus b minus C2 minus a minus 2b, a cancel out, plus b minus 2b, it means minus b, minus b. Okay, same to same, C2 operation, C2 minus C3, 1 minus 1 0, a minus a minus b, it means a cancel minus b, 0 minus b, and a plus 2b minus a cancel out 2b. and C3 same to same. C3 same to same. 1 A plus B A. 1 A plus B A. Okay. Expanding along R1 is equal to 3 into A plus B into 0 0 minus 0 0 plus 1, leaving the corresponding row and column of element 1 to be 4b square minus b into b plus b square, it means minus b square. Okay, is equal to 3 into a plus b into 4b square minus b square, 3b square. 3 into 3 9 into a plus b into b square is equal to right side. Left is equal to right, hence proved. Okay, question number 22 complete. Next question number 23. If P plus Q plus R is equal to 0, then prove that PA, QB, RC, QC, RA, PB, RB, PC, QA is equal to PQR into ABC, CAB, BCA. Okay. If P plus Q plus R equal to 0, then prove that determinant is equal to PQR into determinant. Okay. Left side. So LHS is equal to PA, QB, RC, QC, RA, PB, RB, PC, QA. Okay. On expanding along R1, left is equal to LHS is equal to PA into, leaving the corresponding row and column of element PA, it means RA into QA. QA, it means A square RQ. Okay, minus P square BC minus QB into Q square AC minus B square PR, P square PR plus RC into PC into QC, it means C square PQ minus R square AB. Okay. Is equal to PA into AK cube PQR minus PQ cube ABC minus QQ cube ABC plus BQ cube PQR plus CQ cube PQR minus RQ cube ABC. Okay, is equal to PQR 1 2 3 PQR common into A cube plus B cube plus C cube. Okay, minus ABC common into PQ cube plus QQ cube plus R cube. Okay, according to question, P plus Q plus R is equal to 0 implies p की क्यूब प्लस q की क्यूब प्लस r की क्यूब इज इक्वल टू p क्यूब प्लस q क्यूब प्लस r क्यूब इज इक्वल टू 3pqr. ओके, इज इक्वल टू पी क्यू आर इंटू ए की क्यूब प्लस बी की क्यूब प्लस सी की क्यूब माइनस ए बी सी इंटू पी क्यूब प्लस क्यू क्यूब प्लस आर क्यूब इज इक्वल टू 3pqr. फर्स्ट स्टेप, सेकंड स्टेप, पी क्यू आर कॉमन, ए की क्यूब प्लस बी की क्यूब प्लस सी की क्यूब माइनस 3abc. ओके, इज इक्वल टू पी क्यू आर इंटू 3abc ए की क्यूब माइनस abc प्लस बी की क्यूब माइनस abc प्लस सी की क्यूब माइनस abc माइनस abc माइनस abc माइनस abc इज इक्वल टू 3abc. ओके, पी क्यू आर ए कॉमन, इट मीन्स ए स्क्वायर माइनस bc प्लस बी कॉमन इंटू बी स्क्वायर माइनस ac प्लस सी कॉमन इंटू सी स्क्वायर माइनस ab. ओके, इज इक्वल टू पी क्यू आर इंटू ए स्क्वायर माइनस bc माइनस कॉमन b इंटू ac माइनस b स्क्वायर प्लस c इंटू सी स्क्वायर माइनस ab. ओके, इज इक्वल टू पी क्यू आर इंटू a इंटू ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी सी माइनस बी इंटू एस सी माइनस बी स्क्वायर प्लस सी इंटू सी स्क्वायर माइनस ए बी ऑन एक्सपेंडिंग along R1, on expanding along R1 of determinant right side. Okay, so A B C C A B B C A, it means LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. Question 23 complete, and next question 24. Last question of chapter 4th. Prove that next question 24. Prove that x plus 4 2x 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 x plus 4 2x 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 x plus 4 is equal to 5x plus 4 into x minus 4 of whole square. Okay, left is equal to right. So LHS is equal to x plus 4 2x 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 x plus 4 2x 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 x plus 4. Okay, by operation R1 operation R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay, is equal to row R1 row R2 row R3. R1 x plus 4 R2 2x R3 2x, it means 2x plus 2x plus x plus 4 is equal to 5x plus 4. 2x plus x plus 4 plus 2x R1 R2 R3, it means 5x plus 4. Similarly 5x plus 4. R2 and R3 same to same. 2x x plus 4 2x 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 x plus 4. Okay, taking out five x plus 4 common from R1 is equal to 5x plus 4 into 1 2x 2x 1 x plus 4 2x 1 2x x plus 4 value of row r1 is equal to 1 1 1 value of r1 1 1 1 it means by operation c1 operation c1 minus c2 and c2 operation c2 minus c3 when value of r1 is equal to 1 1 1 then operation c1 operation c1 minus c2 and c2 operation c2 minus c3 okay. LHS is equal to 5x plus 4 into c1 minus c2 1 minus 1 0 2x minus x minus 4 it means x minus 4 2x minus 2x 0 1 minus 1 0 x plus 4 minus 2x it means minus x plus का 4 2x minus something it means plus x minus 4 1 2x x plus 4 okay. On expanding along r1 okay is equal to 5x plus 4 into 0 0 minus 0 0 plus 1 leaving the corresponding row and column of element first x minus 4 whole square minus x plus 4 into 0 0 okay is equal to 5x plus 4 into x minus 4 of whole square left side implies LHS is equal to RHS hence proof okay. Question number 24 complete and chapter 4th complete. We will discuss in next video. Thank you so much.